Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fit and staying home and you all are taking good care of yourselves and your loved ones. Okay? Yes, you know that in this pandemic you all have to wash your hands many times and you all have to eat healthy food and yes, take bath many times. Okay students, today we are going to start our video lecture first for the week 4. Okay, so before starting it, we will discuss some learning goals of this lecture. So students, at the end of the lesson, you all will be able to define similes. So it means our today's topic is about similes. Yes students, at the end you all will know its definition and you all will be able to identify its use. Like what we use for the comparison in similes, we use like or as, and then you also will be able to understand the concept of similes, that how they are completed. They are completed with the help of use of adjectives. Obviously, we will also recall the definition of adjectives as well. So these are some learning goals or learning attainments of this lecture. Okay, students? Yes. So our today's topic is simile. It's very interesting topic, students. Okay, now before starting our today's topic simile, we will discuss some brain booster questions. So what is figurative language? Or you may say, what is figure of speech? And is simile a part of speech or figure of speech? Okay, students, you all know that there are 8 parts of speech. And you all know the names as well: noun, pronoun, adjective, adverbs, verbs, conjunctions, interjections, and prepositions. So today we will talk about the similes. So is simile a part of speech or figure of speech? Yes, now we are going to answer these brain booster questions with the help of this mind map. What is figurative language? Figurative language refers to a language that deviates from the conventional order of meaning. It means it contains some complicated meaning, and that meaning is not related to the literal meaning. Yes, in figurative language, we do not focus on the literal meanings of the words, and we do not focus on the separate meaning of separate words. Instead of this, we take the whole phrase and we use it for comparison. Okay students, simile is a figure of speech and it is considered a figure of comparison. So how similes are used for comparing two things, we will get to know. So what is a simile? A simile is an expression or a figure of speech. We all know about the 8 parts of speech, but simile belongs to the figure of speech that compares. Yes, simile is used for comparison. When we want to compare two things, two people or two objects, or a people or an object, we use simile. So simile is used to compare two different things, and for comparing we use two words, like, as. Yes, which two words we use for comparing two things? Like or as. Yes, and we will try to understand this with the help of an example. Yes, look at the picture. It is a picture of a girl, Sana, and this is a picture of a bear. Sana is as hungry as bear. So here we are comparing Sana with the bear. Means Sana is as hungry as the bear. We are comparing his hunger. We are comparing her hunger with the bear by mentioning this simile. And you can see we have used as in this sentence. Okay, now some other example of comparison of two things with the help of using like in the sentence. Yes, his hair are spiky like the top of the pineapple. Yes, can you see his hair? These are similar like this top of the pineapple. That is why we are comparing it with this, and we have used the term like. So Here the simile is, hairs are spiky like the top of the pineapple. So we use simile for comparison. As I told you earlier, for comparing two things. Okay, some more examples. Yes, the simile word is derived from the word similar, and the word similar means like. That is why similes are used for comparing two things that are alike, or that resembles, or that are similar. Like as cute as kitten, as blind as bat. You are as brave as lion. They fought like cats and dogs. So here we have used the terms as and like. So for comparing two things in similes we use as and like. Okay? Yes, now we will further elaborate our simile concept with the help of an other definition. Yes, it is a type of a figurative language that compares two subjects by highlighting their qualities. I told you earlier that we compare the qualities of two things or two objects. That is why similes are used for highlighting qualities of two objects. And it is a part of figurative language. Always remember, class, keep this thing in your mind that figurative languages uses two kinds of things. They are used to express something, or they are used to compare something. So the figures of speech or figurative languages expresses something or compares. It means we can use them for comparison or we can use them for expression. And simile is that part of figurative language that is used for comparison, that compares two things. Now we will see how the qualities are compared. You are as short. So here the quality is short. You are as short as a dog. I am funny like a monkey. Alice is sweet like honey. Ali ran as fast as cheetah. Alina is as naughty as cat. So can you see something like here? Short is for using you. Here I am funny. Here Alice is sweet. Ali can run or Ali ran fast. Alina is as naughty. So here these qualities are used for nouns. Yes. These words are qualifying the nouns. And we also know that the word that qualifies a noun is called adjective. Yes, the word that qualifies a noun is called adjective. It means all these words, short, funny, sweet, naughty, are adjectives. Yes, how can simile help me when I read, write, speak, or listen? It means what are the benefits or what are the advantages of simile. Now we will see how simile benefits us. Yes? Okay. Simile can help in the following ways. Yes. What are the ways? Simile brings description in life. Yes, when we compare two things, that thing brings description in life by making the things more clear to you. In which sense? In a sense when it creates a mental picture. You get the picture or you get the image of two things when we compare them with each other. This is how simile brings description in life, creates a mental picture or mental image, or it creates a scene in front of you, in front of your eyes. They are also used for making sentences interesting and engaging, as it creates a mental picture, it brings description in life. That is why similes are also used in descriptive writings. That is why similes are used in descriptive writings, because similes are used to compare two things. Okay, now some more information. As similes create mental pictures, that is why similes make sentences more interesting. And due to this reason, most of the writers use similes in their poems, in their stories, to make it more funny, to make it more interesting, to make it more engaging for the readers to read. Okay? Now some more examples. Like, learning is as easy as a pie. Yes, pie. Pie is a soft thing, means it is very easy to cut, it is very easy to eat. That is why we have compared learning with a pie. The strawberries are red like roses. Yes, here we have compared the color. That strawberries are red like roses. So here we are comparing these two things. And for comparing, we have used the simile as easy as, and in this sentence we have used the term like, red like roses. So the similes are red like roses, and here the simile is as easy as pie. And as I told you earlier, for comparing in similes we use the words as or like. Okay? Yes, the thing that is very, very important to keep in the mind is similes don't have any meanings, or they don't have any sense until or unless they are connected with an objective. Like similes are as, like. They will be able to make their sense when they will be connected to some adjective. And I told you previously that adjective is a word that qualifies a noun. Now we will elaborate this concept with the help of some examples. Similes and adjectives. The grapes are as sweet as honey. Now can you see the picture? This is a picture of grapes and this is a picture of honey. And here we are comparing which quality? Their sweetness. So the word sweet is adjective, as it is a quality, and as sweet as honey is a simile. Okay? Another example. Hamza ate the fruits as quick as lightning. Yes. So here we are comparing the quality quick, means as fast. So the word quick is qualifying Hamza. So Hamza is noun and this quality quick is an adjective. And the term as quick as lightning is simile. So I hope you have understood the concept, and we will be more able to further understand this concept by memorizing this song. Yes.
It's figurative language others use to describe. It's a figure of speech that compares two things. It helps the reader to visualize. Similes make writing much more interesting. She's as brave as a lion, she is strong like a bear. He's as fast as a cheetah, he is quick like a hare. They're sneaky as a fox creeping back to his lair. Similes used like or as to compare. He is dull like a potato, she's as sweet as a pear. It's heavy like an elephant or light as air. She's fancy as a poodle with the big fluffy hair. Similes used like or as to compare.
Yes, students, did you enjoy the song? Yes, yes, the song was very nice. And yes, with the help of that song, I will be able to learn about similes very quickly. Okay, students, so there are some video links for you, the video for similes and video for simile song. So you have to watch these videos and you have to understand the concept more clearly. Okay, now we will move towards our assignment. So after watching this video lecture, you will be able to solve these following questions. So what is the assignment for today? Today we will do the part B of page 30 on book, and we will also do part C of page 31 on book as well. Okay now? Yes, wrap up a big fat review. So what we have done today? Students, in this lecture, we got to know about the concept of similes with the help of its definition and with the help of many amazing examples. And we also got to know about many interesting facts about the similes. We also got to know that how we can make sentences and how we can make our descriptive writing more interesting and more exciting by using similes, as the similes are used for comparison. Okay, students, I hope you all have understood the concept very clearly and it will help you in making your descriptive writing more exciting. Okay, thank you, students. Allah Hafiz.